here, and then I got a garbage truck here,
Wow.
and then I'll show you I got trash here,
Wow.
and then I'll see what you do with the trash. You just put the trash like that, and then it lifts up, and then it goes here,
Wow.
and when it don't fit, you put it here and there.
Wow, nice.
And then you put sounds here. You press this.
What?
This is what happens.
Wow, let's see. Oh, nice.
And this one,
I like it.
and another noise.
Wow. Nice, Ro.
And then I have another try, and you put it here. And then it also is nice, but always it do like this.
Wow,
See,
nice.
it dumps, and then it lifts up that, it goes on, and goes down again.
Wow, that's nice. Ro.
And then you can lift this when you need to dump the trash can there. But I lost the trash can now.
Oh no, yes.
But this is also expensive.
Of
You can
course.
buy back there.
Yes, Ro.
And then it also has wheels. I'll show you how many wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, that's nice, Ro.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Ro.